So hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install a free VPN for Chrome. So you just have to type browsec, browsec browsec VPN, okay, and then hit enter, and after that you just have to click on this link. It's chrome.google.com, okay, it's the official Chrome store. So after that you just have to wait, and you just need to click on add to Chrome, okay. So add extension, and you just have to wait. It is start downloading. It's 3.3 MB. You just have to wait. It will automatically install on your Chrome, and it is just asking for you to turn on sync. So I'm not going to turn it on, and here you have to just click on extension, and you will see that browser VPN is installed. So you just have to click on start VPN, and it is starting. So if you want to change the server, you can just click on change, and you can change it from Netherlands to Singapore, United Kingdom, United States, and other servers are premium. So that's all from my side, and you can also switch off from here. So thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, so just like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.